Hello YouTube, we're back again today with another Uncle Mickey's Trends. Today we're going to talk more about digital currency. Digital currency, cryptocurrency, whatever you want to call it. You may have heard of Bitcoin. It's the biggest one out there. It's trading out at about $7,200 a share. Excuse me, $2,400 a coin. Now, I've been researching this subject for about a couple months now, and I really believe that it's going to be right for me, and I really believe it would be right for a lot of other people, as you've heard me mention in other videos. Now, my research leads me down, after looking at about 210 of them, I've narrowed it down to 3, and then I narrowed it down to 1. And I actually bought one about a month ago. I bought one Litecoin. It cost me about $58 for one coin. And it's one of the more popular ones out there. It's about number 5 or number 6 on the list. It trades quite a bit every day. And speaking of trading, the digital currency trades every day all over the world. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So you actually have some advantages over like normal stock investments, that type of thing. Because it's trading somewhere always. And there's small exchanges you can go on, check the internet. You simply go on, you put your money in, you buy what you like. There's very, very small fees. That's another good thing about it. As opposed to more traditional stock investments, so forth. The commission trading fees are very small. And also, like here in the U.S., and maybe other countries, the countries that say digital currency is legal, in the U.S. we have about 20% tax rate. Yes, they will tax it, but 20% is a lot less than most investments you find out there. Like stock is like maybe 30%, maybe even higher. So check it out, do some research, and what I believe I'm going to go with is I'm going to actually try to swap my one Litecoin to get as much of Janus as I can get. If you look up Janus, it's real small. It's sitting at about 8 cents. But the last several days, it's went up over 100% and back down. And people that invest, if they do things quickly, you understand that this volatile up and down swing is what makes you money. A lot of people say, oh, well, that's too risky. But if you can get a little bit of money into it, that large swing up and down is what gets you your money. When it drops down low, very low, you go in and you buy. You let it jump 100% or more. And then you sell out real quick. You convert your money to cash. Now you have cash. Then you can go back and do the same thing over and over and over many, many times. You can stick with the same currency if you want, which would be easier. As long as it has large swings, you might as well stay in the same one. If you need to change to another one, that's okay too. Right now there's about 1,254 of them. There's a whole bunch of them. So I bet you can find one you like. There seemingly is more added every day. And also, of course, there's a lot dropped out too. When they just become totally worthless to everybody, they drop them out. But there seems to always be one out there that you might like, want to grab a hold of. And like I said, I really believe in this investment. Digital currency is probably going to be around for a long time. But if you want to hedge your bet and be safe, sure, of course. Once you've made, say, $10,000, Go put it into something more traditional. Exxon stock or Walmart. Something seemingly safe that can still make you money if you're worried about the risk. If digital currency went down, totally went to dust, it fell flat totally, you still have money to go with something else. Have money to start over. Sure, you can do that. It's hedging your bet. That's a smart thing to do, and I certainly may do that myself. And now since cryptocurrency started, back about 2009 was Bitcoin, well, that's 8 years ago. And it's just now starting to really boom. So I really believe it'll be around for a long time. Maybe many, many years. Maybe forever, who knows? Or maybe the big money-making possibilities may all exist for a few years. But that's what you need to do. Get in while it's hot, while it's going. It's the big thing right now. That's what you have to do. Put your money in, make good money. You can always get it out. Like I said, save some back. Put it back in a safe place. Put it in the bank if you want to. Go hide it somewhere. Go bury it in mason jars in the backyard if you want to. Whatever you want to do. But the digital currency thing is here, and it's already made people really rich. Bitcoin, for example, has just jumped unbelievably. And so have some of these others. Ethereum, for example. So, check it out. So, if you like my idea here, please comment. If you don't like it, you can comment. If you've had success with it, comment. Let me know. If you're just getting into it now like I am, comment. Let me know. So, like, subscribe, and share, please. Tell everybody you know. Tell everybody you don't know. It's been Uncle Mickey. Thanks a lot. Bye.